everybody. So there seems to be some confusion on how to figure out what the time signature is just by listening to your music. So I'm going to throw on a recording of Colossus, which we're all familiar with, just to give you a quick little tutorial here. Raise the volume. Okay, so if I clap along with it, that would give me more of our tempo rather than our time signature right now. So right now, I'm going to stop clapping. So we've talked about time signatures that are 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4. So if I clap every 2 beats, let's see if I'm in the beginning of what feels like every measure. Kind of fits, but it's a little funny. Let me try the others. Let's try 3. That doesn't feel like it's with the music. It's not at the beginning of each measure. The emphasis isn't in the same place. Let's try 4. That fits a lot better. Think about that. When you're clapping your first beat, clap that one a little bit louder. See if that fits with where the emphasis is in the song. So I hope this helps. Please let me know if you have any other questions. Bye.